Okay, this is the second project which I created it with Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition. And as I said, I'm not a programmer, but I try to learn, and I'm learning. So I create Assistant PC Manager. So which you can see a lot of checkbox or checked boxes are there, and each of them has got a command to the root and directory of the Windows programs and a lot of stuff which add to it. So I create that, and creating of Assistant PC Manager is normally is not easy, but I did it. And when I'm not a programmer could do it, of course you people are ahead of me, and or you can do better. So what it is, on the file, new project, and you create the application. And when you open up the application, so let me show you, and I reopen again Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition, file, new project, and window form is there, and you can give a name, and you say PC me, whatever you like. Of course, it is according to your project what you want your project to be called, and you say okay. Of course, it gives you that form is a Windows application or frame, and you can create on this. And the best idea always is good if you can use, which I find out myself, panel. And the good thing about the panel is when you move the text, the boxes, and whatever you drag and drop it inside, it hold it for you. You can have window 1 and window 2, and you can move it around with all of them. So that's the way which I did it. Let me put it a little bit bigger and put it right there. Now we go and check, not a checklist, checkbox. So we put it inside, and right click, you say copy and paste, paste, and paste, paste. Depends how many you like and how many, which I created it actually more than 57 or 58, and there was some command was not working. And anyway, it looks, and if you have a icon, you can create that one. Click on the frame, and the first one is a Solution Explorer. On the right hand side, Windows, and down the bottom is Properties, is biography on information about your window application, window form 1 or whatever number you choose. So it gives you all that. In these properties you can change, perhaps we can change the name PC me, and enter. You can see the heading here. So PC me is changed and has got an icon, and you can change that one as well if you have one here in your project or folder, which already I did with the other one. So you choose the icon, name of it, and checkboxes, and okay, panel is there, and here also you can add like a picture box, and if you want to create, and you choose, drag the picture box text to your form 1 or to your application, and click on that arrows there, and you choose. When you're choosing, it take you select to your directory, and you say import, then it open up your project. And suppose we say I have one there, you say okay, and you can choose here normal, stretch, or auto size, which is very small, center size, and temporarily we do that one, stretch. Look, you can create for logo or for your project, which looks similar to this one, but this I did with the animation, and that was all text boxes here, which you can see, and has got a command line, has got a goes to the root directory of this, your Windows, your programs, and other software which you download, and you want to get rid of the cookies, which I show you within a second, and create the name, and also I did the animation there, and I can show it to you as well. So good luck to all of you, and anyone can use this, and is already I put a copyright to it, and if it's ready, so I might put it to the net and free, anyone can have access to it. And my thanks goes to the Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 Express Edition, and especially the YouTube is giving this opportunity to all the beginners and all the programmers. Thanks. So here I can show you, as I said, within a second. This is my project which I already created it. The select actually button is not working. I have to find a code for it, and I don't want to select all of them because each of them has got its own mind and does something else, but exit button it works. This is a copyright as well. So we press start debugging, and I minimize this. We can see here in the center of the desktop, and this is a project which I create. And of course the history is very important, and because we go by Internet Explorer and to the web, and we download all that cookies, TIFF, GIF, JPEG, and Adobe's Flash, and sometimes email, and all this of course is downloading some stuff, and it goes to the computer, to the hard drive. And also viruses or hidden viruses, hidden files, they come in. That's why then we are in trouble. So, but with this assistant PC manager, we can make it easy. All these command and folders which is hidden or even is not hidden in the Windows. So I brought it with this text box button and made it easy as an assistant PC manager, and we can show you what we can do. Okay, first we go to the history, click on history. So of course this is the history of Internet Explorers. It's coming up, and get rid of it, yes. Now we say under the program files, of course sometimes this is your program files, please do not delete any file or something. And you can see some text or some files which is normally I go and have a look, and of course if you are familiar with it, you can delete it. And strongly, if you believe on that, okay, delete it. And cookies, okay, we go to the cookies, we can see goes to your C drive, documents and settings, and cookies. So this is a text. Of course the index is not going to be deleted because the file already is open. Internet Explorer, we can delete this, and beauty. So and temporary file or temp file under your C, and all of these are garbage, and information of course from the internet goes to C, Windows, and we can download except we can delete it except one file and give you now a message, and already I know which one it is, and we delete, and must be maybe 748. If not, maybe the other one. Yeah, that's the one we cannot delete. And I'll get the error message. Here we go. And we delete the first one, of course first one, and we leave one because already is open, Internet Explorers. And okay, recent document, your recent document and whatever you open here, so and document and all this, so get rid of it if you want to. And this is a beauty which I can go for the PC and clean. This comes up and we say select all temporary recent WinRAR and narrows, so media players and temporary internet histories. So you say select all, is selected here, and we say clean, and down the bottom it shows you cleaned, and you say close the application, is gone. So WinZip, open up the WinZip, and CD your DOS prompt or the command line. So sorry, and cd dot it take you to the command prompt and you can do your job. So you need a window backup, so of course the window backup is coming up and it give you all that backup things. And Windows folder, see Windows folder also if you need something here, temporary system, or you go straight to it. So, and if you need a date and time, what time is it, what date it is, so of course the calendar will come up. You need Google, click on Google button, of course the Google button, of course open up the Internet Explorer, goes to Google. And calculator, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 equal, so it give you all this. This is a calculator, and I have to work with it and we see how it goes. Oh, map character, we need this one as well, all these icons and all these codes, especially map characters. If you need for your unit C, we say select C and copy to your things. And maybe you need a copyright, say select and copyright and put it to your website or to your project. So, and this one you need a share, all this stuff, and window explore, it goes to see Windows, which already I did. And this one, index service, it goes to the tools and all this stuff for Windows, and Windows magnifier. So look, I hope you can see better now. And here we see assistance, and I'm dancing because I did one project nicely, so I'm happy about it. Good luck to you people, and I stop here and say goodbye till my third project is coming up.